Are you a nonprofit organization or an organization that accepts donations? Let me show you how to create a single donation form within your account. So from the account dashboard, we're going to go over to the left-hand navigation bar and click on Sites. And this is going to take us to the Forms and Websites funnel section. So at the very top sub-navigation bar, we're going to click on Forms and a drop-down appears. We're going to select Builder. And then from here, we're going to go to the top right and click Add Form. And then we're going to start from scratch. And then our form template appears where we can customize. So I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the Forms interface, starting with the left side. So we have the Add Form element. So we click on the plus icon on the top left of the screen. We see we have quick add elements, which are things like full name, first name, date of birth, phone number, very general information. And then we have the custom fields. So we can add custom fields, meaning specific information that we want to collect from any specific contact that submits any form within our account or website. So in this example, we're just going to keep it very simple and ask for full name, email, phone number, and then monetary amount that they're going to donate. So really quick, I want to show you at the very top right, we can customize the look and feel of the form. So by clicking this little icon here, we see we can customize the styles, the themes, and the options. So to keep it very simple, I like to go to the input style and select line to change the style of the input line. And then instead of full name, I'm going to delete that line item and then say I want to input the full name of the contact. And then we're going to say we want to collect payment. So on the left-hand navigation bar in the quick add form element pop out, we're going to select collect payment. We're going to drag and drop it underneath phone. And then we click on it and we can customize the amount that we would like to request as a donation. We can even select a custom amount. So let's say, for example, you want to start with $5 and go all the way up to 100. So first, let's delete these pre-populated amounts and then click the plus icon to start with $5. And then click the plus icon again, add maybe 15. And then I'm just clicking on the outside area to confirm that that's the amount. I'm going to click the plus icon again and then add 25. Click in the area next to it, click the plus icon again and then add 50. Then I'm going to click the plus icon one more time and add $100. So now we have the option for any possible donor to select 5, 15, 25, 50, or 100, and then they can also add a specific amount. Now keep in mind, this is a single donation. I'll show you in another video how to set up a subscription type reoccurring donation. And then once we finish customizing the monetary amounts, below that we have the consent copy, where we can click on the consent copy field and customize the text however we choose. And then we can select if we want it to be required or not required, change the link color. And then below that, we're going to click on the button, and then we can customize the button as well. We can change the color of the button. We can change the text, the padding, the shadow, the font, the alignment, unlimited. And then once we finish customizing our donation form for a single payment, we're going to go to the very top right of the screen and click Save First. And then once we finish saving this form, well, then even before that, let's go to the very top right and let's name this form. Where it says Form 7, we're going to highlight it and we're going to say Donation Form. Once we finish naming the form, we're going to go back to the top right of the screen and click Save again. Once it's finished saving, if we want to embed this form on a current website, we're going to click Integrate. And then we have the option to either embed it like the style layout. We can say a sticky sidebar, slide in, pop up, inline. Or if we just want it to live on a specific section of our website, we're going to go to copy embed code. And then we'll have the copy embed code where we can then go to our website, paste it in a code field, save it, and then our donation form will be live and active on our website. So that is how you create a simple donation form within your account. In another video, I'll show you how to set up automations. That way, anytime somebody submits this form, we can do things like send them an email, add points to their account so that way we can track how much each donor donates to our account. Unlimited things we can do, but I just wanted to show you a very simple step-by-step guide on how to set up a one-time single donation form within your account.